Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create glitter outfit in DTI. So if you're ready to shine brighter than everyone else in DTI, in this tutorial I'll show you the easiest glitter outfit hacks that will make your avatar sparkle like a star on the runway. So no VIP required for this trick. What you need to do is just put on any outfits or any dress that you want. So let's say I'm going to try to put this one first, and in here you can choose the color that you want for the outfit. So let's say I'm going to go with this red. Now you can click on this plus icon and choose the glitter option, so it will change the material, as you guys can see, into a glittery material just like this. And you can now add the other elements to your outfit. So let's add the bottom. So let's say I'm going to use a skirt. I'm going to use this one for example. Now you can again change the color. I'm going to change it into black, and here let's change the material again. Click on the plus one and choose glitter. Now as you guys can see, I have this glittery outfits within seconds. So which glitter look are you trying first? Drop it in the comments. So don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the thanks button. I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye.